Hello and welcome to Aarohan Coaching Institute. In our last lecture of Indian polity, we discussed the Pitt's India Act of 1784. Those who haven't watched the video, please go and watch the video after completing this lecture. It will take just a few minutes and you will be able to understand it properly. In this video, we will discuss the Charter Act of 1833. If you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and give a thumbs up to the videos so that we know our videos are helping you in your preparations. So without any delay, let's get started. Charter Act of 1833. This act was basically known as the final step towards centralization of the British Empire in India. Let's discuss the main features. We have already found that in the Regulating Act of 1773, the Governor of Bengal was made the Governor-General of Bengal, right? But in this act, the Governor-General of Bengal was made the Governor-General of India. The Governor-General of India was vested all civil and military powers. Thus, for the first time, a Government of India was created, which had the authority over the entire territorial area possessed by the British in India. Lord William Bentinck was the first Governor-General of India. It deprived the Governor of Bombay and Madras of their legislative powers. The Governor-General of India was given exclusive legislative powers for the entire British India. The laws made under the previous acts were called regulations, while laws made under this act were called acts. It ended the activities of the East India Company as a commercial body, and it became a purely administrative body. This act for the first time had said that the company's territories in India were held by it in trust for His Majesty, his heirs and successors. The Act of 1833 attempted to introduce a system of open competition for the selection of civil servants. This act stated that the Indians should not be debarred from holding any place, office or employment under the company. However, this provision was made ineffective after opposition from the Court of Directors. Once again, let's see the key points. Firstly, under this act, the Governor-General of Bengal was made the Governor-General of India. Lord William Bentinck was the first Governor-General of India. Laws made under this act were called acts for the first time. Under this act, the East India Company was no longer a commercial body. They became a purely administrative body. An attempt to introduce a system of open competition for the selection of civil servants was made. So that's it for this video. Please go and watch other videos that we have uploaded and kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we know our videos are helping you in your preparations. That's all for now. Thank you so much.